You've seen me do this gear stick and Gaiter, but we've bought another Micra, so let's do it again. This time we're going a bit more classy. We've got this fake leather Gaiter, we've got this big boy black and gold gear stick. We've also got the clip, the retainer clip, to put in here to keep it in. As I mentioned last time, this is from Cuntside 3D on Etsy. So it's the same process as last time. We need to get this gear knob off. It's usually quite difficult on these because they put a bit of glue, but trust me, it comes off. Now this is weird and a bit unexpected. You've got this metal bit on the top here with a little bolt or whatever. Now this wasn't on my other one, you just had the stick and then the screw at the end, so someone tell me, is this stock on them or was the other one changed before? So using a little wrench, you can take this part off. Now since we're changing the Gaiter too, we have to come here and rip this little piece off. And then boom, it's all raw. Now we want to take the old Gaiter off. Now they're just locked in with these rubber clips on this side, so what we have to do is push them through or cut them off. And once you got it off, at this point, if you want to paint this or you want to put some lining in this part, this is the right point to do it. It will be the easiest time with it fully off. Now I'm sure there'll be mixed opinions, but to be honest I think this looks quite good for fake leather. And this is not real metal either, but it's still quite shiny. Now this part is pretty obvious, but you just want to shove the Gaiter through like this, spread it out. And here we are, it's a tight fit. Now of course, you just want to gently squeeze it back in there. And hook the clips in. So once again, that's how you change the Gaiter in your car. And I think it's looking even nicer than the other one. Let me know what you guys think. Now I'm excited to fit this new gear stick onto my Nissan Micra. It's quite big compared to the stock one. So let's see. Now the hole that it comes with is way too big for my Micra, but thankfully it comes with 3 adapters. This is the smallest, this is medium one, and this is the largest hole. For this one, the medium one works perfectly. And then boom, let's screw it on. And here's how it's looking. Now I don't think this is going to be to everyone's liking. I don't know how many people like the long shift, but I think this is pretty cool.